You've been taught that strength looks like this: veins bulging, muscles tearing, iron clanging. But that's not where real strength comes from. Real strength doesn't live in your arms. It lives somewhere you can't flex. We're obsessed with muscle. We measure strength in kilograms, reps, and inches. But here's what most people don't know. Muscle isn't even the main driver of physical power. Your nervous system is. It's the brain that decides how many muscle fibers to fire, when, and how hard. That's why an untrained person in a crisis can sometimes outlift a professional athlete. Not because their muscles changed, but because their brain, flooded with adrenaline, unlocked power that was always there, the real source. Strength isn't stored in tissue, it's stored in will. Think about it. Soldiers who march for days on no sleep. Mothers who function on empty for years raising a child. People who rebuild their lives after losing everything. None of that came from muscle, it came from something deeper, deep purpose, discipline, the refusal to quit. Psychologists call it self-efficacy, your belief in your own capability. And it's one of the strongest predictors of how far a person can actually go. Not genetics, not gym gains. Belief. The human story. Humans were never the strongest animals on Earth. We're not the fastest or the most powerful. But we outlasted saber-toothed tigers, not with muscle, but with cooperation, adaptability, and resilience. Every time you've pushed through a hard day, recovered from failure, or shown up when you didn't feel like it, that was strength. Real strength. The turn. So the next time you think about what makes you strong, don't look at your arms. Look at what you've survived. Look at what you didn't give up on. Look at the version of you that kept going when it would have been easier to stop. Muscle fades, but that kind of strength never does.